Okay, Sophia. Today is the day. You trained for this. You are ready. Welcome aboard. My name is Sophia. I am your flight attendant today. First day. First flight. Let us go. They all look so professional. I hope I look professional too. My locker. I'm officially here.
Hey, new girl, right? First day?
Is it that obvious?
Only because you are holding that manual like it might run away. You do not need that anymore. You know it. Trust yourself.
What if I forget something?
You will not. And if you do, I am right there. My name is Mia. You must be the new girl, Sophia Miller. Sit down. We start now. Today's flight, New York to Chicago, 140 passengers. I expect professional behavior. Every moment, every passenger, every time. Miss Miller, first flight. I will be watching, not to catch you, to help you. But I expect effort, always. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. I will work very hard. I promise.
How are your feet? New heels hurt on the first day.
They hurt already. Is that normal?
Very normal. After 1 week, you will not feel them.
That is our plane. That is the plane I will work on today.
Beautiful, right? You never stop thinking that.
First flight? Welcome to the team. You will do well.
Thank you, Captain. I will try my best.
That is all any of us can do. Every single day.
Drinks here, meals here, ice here. Emergency kit, always the emergency kit is.
Studied that part many times.
Good. I hope we never need it. But good.
Okay, I am ready. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. I can do this.
Stop whispering to yourself and just smile. You look great.
Good morning. Welcome aboard. Can I help you find your seats? Thank you so much. We are in row 12. Row 12 is just there on the left. Enjoy your flight. I did it. I spoke to a real passenger. She understood me. You spoke 4 sentences, Sophia.
But yes, well done.
Good morning. Welcome aboard. Can I help you with anything?
Oh, how lovely. Yes, dear. Could you help me find seat 8A?
Of course. Please follow me. Thank you, my dear. You are so kind. Is this your first day?
Your eyes are very bright, like someone seeing everything for the first time.
Good morning, sir, and welcome aboard.
Where's business class, and why is boarding so slow today?
Business class is at the front, sir. I am so sorry for any delay. Fine. Thanks.
Can I get you anything before takeoff, sir?
Coffee. Black. And quickly, please. Careful. Careful. Do not spill. Do not spill. Careful. Do not spill.
What are you doing? This suit is very expensive.
Oh no, I am so sorry. I am so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry, sir.
Sir, I sincerely apologize. We will clean this immediately. Sophia, more napkins.
You are absolutely right, and we will make it right. I promise you. I spilled coffee. On my first day, on my very first passenger. I want to call Mom. But the door is closed. We are up to fly. Hey, are you okay? I spilled coffee on a passenger. On my first day, I am terrible at this. I spilled an entire tray of orange juice on my first day. On 3 passengers. 3 passengers? 3. One was a child. The child cried. The mother was very unhappy. And you? I am still here. Still working. Still loving this job. Miss Miller, then come back to work.
I am so sorry, Patricia. It will not happen again.
It will happen again. Things spill. What matters is what you do next.
Okay. I am a flight attendant. I am in the air. Tea or coffee? Tea or coffee? I can do this. Tea or coffee?
Tea for you. Be careful, it is hot. Thank you, dear. You are doing a wonderful job. Thank you, that means a lot to me today. Oh, hello again, dear. How are you feeling now?
Better. I had a difficult moment earlier.
Everyone has difficult moments, dear. What matters is you came back.
Here is your tea, Mrs. Baker. You know what I see when I look at you? What do you see?
Someone who really cares.
That is the most important thing in any job. Sir, I am very sorry for earlier. Here is a fresh coffee and a warm towel.
Thank you. I was also perhaps a little rude.
It is okay, sir. Enjoy your flight.
You went back to the difficult passenger.
On your own. Good.
That is exactly what a good flight attendant does. Remember this feeling.
Any rubbish to collect?
Oh, thank you.
More water? There you go, Mrs. Baker. Sweet dreams.
How is it going? First flight treating you well?
I spilled coffee on a passenger this morning. It was very bad.
I crashed a simulator on my first training day. Completely crashed it.
You did?
I pressed the wrong button. Both engines off. Silence. The instructor just looked at me.
What happened after?
I restarted everything. Tried again. 20 years later,
You never quit?
every person in this industry wanted to quit once. Listen to me, Sophia. The passengers out there, they need you to care.
Not to be perfect, to care.
Do you care? Yes, I care very much. More than anything. Then you will be a very good flight attendant. Give it time. Today is just one day. You have thousands of days ahead. You're ready for this, Sophia. Just take it one step at a time.
Thousands of days. Okay. Day 1. Let us do day 1 properly. She will not sleep. I am sorry. I know she is loud. Please do not be sorry. Let me get you some warm water for her bottle. There we go. Nice and warm. Try this. She is drinking. Thank you so much. How did you know? My training manual had one very useful page about babies on flights. He's settled now. Just need a little attention.
Thank you so much, Sophia.
Great job, Sophia. Thank you.
How are you feeling now? Really? Tired, my feet hurt, and I feel okay. Actually okay. That is the job, every single day. Welcome to the team.
Seatbelts fastened, please. Tray tables up. Almost there.
We are landing, dear. You did it.
We did it together, Mrs. Baker. You helped me very much today. Oh, I just exact hear the right words. That was more than enough. Chicago. We flew here. I flew here. I am a flight attendant. Thank you for flying with us. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
You too.
Thanks. Have a good one.
You as well.
You are going to be a wonderful flight attendant, my dear. I can see it in your eyes. You were born for this.
Thank you, Mrs. Baker. Thank you for everything.
I was rude to you this morning. I am sorry. It was a bad morning.
Please do not worry about it. I hope your day improves.
It already has. Safe flight back.
Excuse me, is this your airplane? I look after it, for the passengers inside. Does that count? I want to be a pilot or a flight attendant.
First flight chocolate. A tradition. Eat it. Is this a real tradition? It is now. I just made it up. Eat it. Not a bad first flight, Miss Miller. Not bad at all. Thank you, Patricia. I will do better next time. I know you will. That is why I said, not bad.
First flight done. How does it feel?
I spilled coffee, I almost cried, I helped a baby sleep.
That sounds like a perfect first flight to me.
Ready for flight number 2 tomorrow? Tomorrow? Already? We fly every day, Sophia. That is the job. And you are going to love it. Tomorrow. And the day after. And the day after that. 5 years later. Big day today. Every day is a big day, Mia. You taught me that. I taught you that? I am brilliant. 5 years. So many flights. So many people.
Today's flight. New York to Los Angeles. 187 passengers.
And today is a special day for one of our crew.
Today is Sophia's last flight, after 5 years of service.
Sophia, you did not tell me today was the day. I could not say it out loud. It made it too real.
You handled that situation perfectly, Sophia. We are all very proud of you.
Good morning. Welcome aboard. Can I help you find your seat?
Excuse me, is this your airplane? I look after it, for the passengers inside. Does that count? I want to be a pilot or a flight attendant.
5 years of this view. And it is still the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. Day 1. She almost quit. She did not. 5 years later, Brune, she is still here. Still flying. Still caring.